Meaning of gauge.
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 Gauge. The word gauge can have a few different meanings depending on the context. It is most commonly used as a verb meaning to measure or estimate something, such as the depth of water or the strength of someone's willpower. It can also be used as a noun to refer to a tool used for measuring or testing, such as a pressure gauge. Another definition of gauge is an old-fashioned spelling of the word gauge, which means to assess or judge something. Overall, gauge generally refers to the act of measuring, estimating, or determining something,